Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to take a look at a rather unique product in the LM family of cases. So this is our front of house workstation with integrated platform. So this particular case is designed for installed applications. This is for schools and portable churches or any type of venue that needs a rolling front of house platform that needs to be stored at the end of either a performance or a service. So this case's intended purpose is to provide a place for consoles to live at a front of house application, and it has its own integrated riser built into it. So I wanted to start this video with the riser in its transport in its transport mode, because it's just kind of cool to see a giant board with 15 feet strapped to a case. So this is a product that we build maybe a few of a year, and it always is interesting, and I was excited to see this come through, and I figured I would shoot a quick video on it just to kind of show everybody how it works. So each one of these feet have an adjustable and levelable foot that comes in it. So these pivot like this. Each one of these risers can be removed if you need it and adjusted. So if you needed to level it on an uneven work surface, you can. The way that it is attached to the case is with a tourniquet strap. So the nylon webbing that you see here is something that we keep in stock. I mean, this is what we make lid stays and certain types of handles and things out of. So we do like the tourniquet strap here at LM. We've probably used these for the past 20 years or so. They're very easy to use and secure. So as you pull this, it grabs it tighter. So to release it, all you have to do is just press this little button right here, and it's spring-loaded. So even one-handed holding my camera rig, I can tighten it down pretty well. So speaking of that, the bottom side of the work surface that you are looking at, this is a piece of 3/4 inch Baltic Birch plywood. This is doubled up. You're looking at the bottom portion of it that is finished with black texture coating. It has this nice frame that goes around it. This is made out of marine grade plastic. This is what helps keep the carpet secured, and then also it prevents the carpet from peeling up as you get on and off of the platform. So I'm going to set the camera down here for a second, and we're going to take the platform off and show you how it works. Okay, so this is the platform deployed. So it is designed to mate right up against the bottom of the case here, so that it's a fairly seamless transition between the case body and the platform. So ideally, this is spaced so that 3 to 4 people can work up here. So if you have, say, a stage manager, a lighting operator, a sound operator, and a video operator, they can all be up here. So the front of it has a fascia piece on it. These are 3 14U rack bays. This is designed for any type of outboard gear, wireless mics, rack drawers, et cetera, that goes in here. You do have 3 shelves here on the side for general storage. The top work surface is laminated with black Formica. This is a 3/4 inch Baltic piece that is up here, and it is finished with T molding across the front. Each of the rack bays has a cable passage that goes through it, and if you'll notice, it has a nice gentle slope here to just provide a nice angled section to match the contour of any console that you may put up here. So again, it's not intended for any console specifically. So you know, if you're looking at this in terms of an investment in a school or a church or something like that, you can buy this particular unit, and it will last you as your production needs evolve with consoles. So looking at the front of it, this would be what the audience sees as they look back. There are 3 trap doors to access the rack sections here, and they just open up quickly, just like that, to show you access. And again, there are cable passages between all of the rack sections. So if you have any questions about this case or anything else, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. lmcasesonline.com. If you would like to purchase this unit exactly as you see it, you can check that out at lmcasesonline.com. And if you'd like to see the daily goings on at LM Cases, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.